All right, so good day, everyone, and thank you so much for clicking again this video. And for today, we are just going to have a trivia quiz about the videos that you watched before this one. So, this trivia quiz is about music of India, Pakistan, and Israel. So, today we are going to answer and we're going to learn more information. Are you ready? Okay, so let's start with the first one. Okay, which of the following is the music associated with the northern India? Is it Carnatic or Hindustani? The correct answer is Hindustani. So if your answer is Hindustani, very good. Okay, now let us learn more about this. So when we say Carnatic, it is a form of Indian classical music with origins in southern India. Lyrics in Carnatic music are largely devotional. Most of the songs are addressed to the Hindu deities or Hindu gods. Okay, now Hindustani, our answer, is an art music tradition that has origins mainly in the northern parts of the Indian subcontinent, northern and central parts of India, Pakistan, Nepal, and Bangladesh. Okay, now let's move on to the second question. Zum Gali Gali is a folk song from India or Israel? Okay, let's see if your answer is correct. Very good. If you answered Israel. Okay, so Zum Gali Gali is a folk song from Israel originating sometime around the birth of the modern state and was sung by the pioneers as they worked in the fields in Israel to help them stay coordinated as they made the desert bloom. Okay, next. Okay, if an Israeli wants to call for prayer and repentance, which of the following instruments is used? Shofar or Jewish lyre? Okay, let's see if your answer is correct. So if you answered shofar, then very good. Okay, do you know the meaning of a shofar? Or do you know what shofar looks like? Okay, let's see. So this one is the shofar instrument from Israel. So as you can see here, there are two holes, the smaller one and the bigger one. Okay, so shofar is a ram's horn. Okay, the air comes out of the large end when blown into the small end of it. This is a symbol for Rosh Hashanah, or it means that we must turn inward to fix ourselves so we can then burst out and contribute to the world. Okay, now let's move on to the next question. Okay, you heard a Pakistani song about expressions of love and loneliness. Which of the following types of vocal music does it belong to? Ghazal or Qawwali? Okay, let's see if your answer is correct. Okay, the correct answer is Ghazal. All right, now Ghazals and Qawwali, let us differentiate these two. Okay, now let us differentiate these two words. They are about the agony of misfortune, Ghazals, separation, or love despite the pain, and are performed in a poetry manner. Well, when we say Qawwali, this is a type of Sufi Islamic reverential singing and is performed in such a way that is mostly sounds like a song. Okay, so again, ghazals, they are performed in a poetry manner. Okay, they are sang in poetry manner, and Qawwali, they are performed in like they're singing a song. Okay, and Qawwali are mostly devotional songs. They are songs that are performed in a temple or in Sufi Islamic shrines. Okay. Now, let's move on to the next one. Which of these two types of vocal music is devotional and mainly performed at Sufi shrines? So, if you listen carefully, I already said the correct answer just a few minutes ago. Ghazal or Qawwali? Okay, let's see if your answer is correct. So, the correct answer is Qawwali. Very good. Okay, so Qawwali originally performed at Sufi shrines or dargahs throughout South Asia and gained mainstream popularity and an international audience in late 20th century. Okay, so as you can see here, here is an example or a picture of a dargah or Sufi shrine. Okay, now let's continue. I guess that's all for today. We had 5 questions only. Thank you so much. Good job and congratulations. Okay, see you in our next video. And thank you again so much for clicking again this video. Again, this is CJ-Ssaem and see you next time. Goodbye.